What's up, people? Lawn Chaser here. So in the last video, when I was doing a review on my truck, I did say that I was going to be doing a video on replacing the EGR valve, which I did also say is super easy to do because it's right there. Now you're going to find that these bolts are already loose because I tried to do a first take of the video, and unfortunately the camera kept getting out of view, so I'm gonna try and do a better job of that. I already got the wire disconnected from it. Anyways, this is a 97 Chevrolet k2500 7.4 Vortec, which is the 454. Now most of y'all who probably work on cars know that it's pretty simple just replacing this right here, but I'm gonna do a video anyways for those of y'all who may not know, in hopes that I may be able to help y'all out. Tools that you're going to need is a 3/8 ratchet, an extension, and a 3/8 socket. You don't really need the extension, but it does help. Okay, so like I said, it's already been loose, so literally all we have to do is just do this right here. Okay, I went a little too far with the bolt. You don't really need to unscrew them all the way out with the tool. Once you get them loose enough, you can just do it by hand, or just do this. Now, I'm not a mechanic by any means. I'm just a guy who just prefers to fix his own vehicles and equipment. I'm actually really a landscaper, but yeah, I do what I can do to save a little bit of money. Okay, got the bolts set right there. Yeah, there's a little bit of water in there. It rained last night, and just pops right out. And right over here, we got the brand new EGR valve, and we also got the gasket as well. I got it from Rock Auto. No, Rock Auto is not paying me to sponsor them, but I do highly suggest that when shopping from Rock Auto, that you pay the extra money for the part. Do not get the cheap part. Pay the extra money. I believe this is a AC Delco part. Hold up right there. I was a little bit more prepared for the video, but I guess I wasn't. Okay, when installing these right here, you're going to want to have the connector on the lower end. Yeah. Okay. Let me find a spot to set y'all down. Yeah, that's not going to work. Well, I just used the old part. Okay. This is the gasket right here. Okay, you're gonna put it in just like this. Now hold up 1 second, because I accidentally set y'all right down on top of the bolts that is needed to screw this back in. Somebody's getting down on it. Okay. Oh, y'all got zoomed in a little. Alright, fits perfectly. Oh. Oops. Now, hold up 1 second. All right. Oops. Okay, hope y'all are enjoying watching me fail miserably right here, trying to keep the bolts lined up with the hole. Come on. Oh, crap. Hold up just 1 second. Got a little something I can stand on. Should make the job a little bit easier. Even though, yes, I am a 6'1" person, sometimes you still need a little something extra to stand on, you know. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, hope I'm not in y'all's way. All right. Okay. Another thing that you can do is, because it is a tight little area, just do this. All right. Okay. Now to get it good and snug in there. Okay. Hold on 1 second. You don't want to really tighten one end first, because then it just goes in crooked. You kind of want to do, you kind of want to go side by side. That way, so it actually goes in there just perfect. Okay. Well, a little bit late showing you that, but it's in there right now. It's in there nice and snug, and we're going to reconnect the connector, and now we're going to see if the now we shall see if the problem is fixed. I'm going to see if the check engine light is still on, which very likely it may still be, but sometimes when the problem is actually fixed with these Chevrolets, if the problem is actually fixed, then the check engine light will go off automatically. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. But we're going to check it. We're going to still check the codes. All right. And it's off. Yes. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted to see. Yes. Now all you have to do is take it out for a test drive. And if you hear that whining, that is because my power steering pump is empty of fluid. Because I do have a power steering leak going on, but yeah, that is definitely what I wanted to see. I hope that this video helped y'all out. Until then, rate, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a nice day.